So here we have the JOYMOOP. This is a mop and bucket kit. It's the microfiber style mop with a 2 bucket in one system. One for washing and one for drying. It comes with 2 long handles with 2 mop pads and 8 extra microfiber cleaning pads. So you could have a wet mop and a dry mop. And it's really easy to use, easy to put together. You just screw on the handles and screw on the mop heads and you're ready to go. So this is great for my wood floors because it only uses a small amount of water to get the job done, and it tends to dry quicker because it's more efficient with the water. And the pad size is nice and large, but it doesn't feel large when it's going around leg chairs and in corners, because with its 360 rotation, that it's capable of going into tight spaces, and even you could use it for walls with the dry mop, and even use it for baseboards, which are tough to get to. So you could really give a deep cleaning with this bucket because it has a bottom drain, and this way you don't have to tip over the bucket in an awkward motion. You could just open up the bottom drain and let it drain out in the bathtub or in the sink. The handles can be extended from 26.5 inches to a full 60 inches. This way it gives you good reach. This way you get some great reach for wall cleaning. So it's very easy to use, multiple uses. The mop head rebounds into position. This way you could dunk it in the bucket, and it takes up very little space when not in use. It could fit into a corner of most any closets. So I really like using this mop, and I'm really glad I got it. So I'm glad I had the chance to get away from traditional mopping, because this is just way more better in my opinion.